What's up, guys? We got a cool present for you today. We are working on a Kuwahara Kz1. This is a remake from 2008. And yeah, a really nice bike. Check out the front end here. So it's got the original sticker and a serial number over here. These are the original forks. And we have kind of like a Suntour kind of stem. Got a laid back post. Let's move on to some parts. So we have some V-bars, some Kuwahara grips, 20-inch tubes. Check out that sprocket, that's a nice one. We have some bear trap 1/2-inch pedals. We got a one-piece crank. We got the Kuwahara clamp. Nice Kuwahara plastic seat. Some Diacomp brake levers, Diacomp cables, MX1000 brakes, and we have a Suntour freewheel. We got some Kuwahara wheels. I don't know if these were stock, but these are in great shape. And then we have these Tioga Comp 3 knockoff tires. So this is going to be a really cool one. We got a bunch of Kuwahara builds that you got to watch after the video. We'll post them above at the end. Let's get to the build. What's up, guys? We finished up this Kuwahara Kz1 from 2010. It is a remake frame from the early 80s. So it came out really good build. We're gonna go through all the parts with you to show you a close-up of the frame. All right, so we have the Kuwahara grips. We got Kuwahara donuts, Diacomp levers with Diacomp brake cables, stock handlebars. This is a Suntour knockoff stem. We have the 1-inch headset that came on the frame, Diacomp brakes, stock Tange forks that came with the frame. We have the IRC tires. They look like Comp 3 tires. These are the stock wheels, so it's Kuwahara wheels made from Weinmann rims. We have the Sunlight pedals 1/2-inch. We have a one-piece crank with a Kuwahara sprocket. We put on this KMC chain, Kuwahara clamp, and the stock laid back post. We have a plastic Kuwahara seat, and then we have a Diacomp brake on the back, and then the same wheels and tires with a Suntour freewheel. So this bike came out really good. We're gonna post a bunch of Kuwahara builds above. Make sure to check those out as well. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to leave your comments, and thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.